Hey everyone! I'm back with another fun holiday crafting tutorial. I made this centerpiece using items that you can probably get at your local Target or Dollar Tree store. As always, links are in the description box below, and hit that subscribe button for more DIY videos. You'll need a drill and bits, a tape measure. I found these 3 birch wood pieces at Target. They came all in a bundle together. I think for this project I'm going to use this thicker one. I was originally going to cut it in half, or maybe like a 3/4 of the way along, just to give it a flat edge so it would sit nicely on the table. But I think that I actually really like the way that it kind of lifts off a little bit. I think that it would look nice if you put like a garland on the table and then put this on top of it. So I'm actually going to leave it as is. It isn't as wobbly as I thought it was going to be. It actually feels pretty sturdy there. So I think I'm just going to leave it like as is, and then go ahead and put the trees right down in this here. This is the collection of trees that I got. So I got these 3. These came from Target. There were 3 for $10. These ones are from the dollar section at Target. I believe they're $3 each. Yep, $3 each. So there's a silvery one, kind of a white sparkly one. I got this pack of gold ones. There is glitter, oh my gosh, everywhere. It is everywhere from this one. This one's also from Target. It was $5 for these 4 little mini trees. And then these ones here are from the dollar store. These ones are like a snowy green here, and then a sparkly white one. So I'm going to take these all out of the boxes and kind of arrange them and see what I like. Okay, so originally I wasn't planning on using all these trees. I kind of was going to just put them in like a little straight line, but I think that I kind of like this little bunch of all the different heights. I kind of like more of a cluster of trees rather than just like all the trees in a straight line. Let me move this out of the way here so that you can get a kind of a better idea of what it looks like just with that little bundle of trees. The goal is that we are going to drill holes in this log, take all these little stands off of the trees, and basically just put them like right on this little branch thing. So let's get started. have it before gluing all the trees in. If some of these want to fall over as you put them in the hole, that's okay. It's once you put the glue in, and because these are all wire trees, you'll be able to bend them up the right way. I've got a few little straggler guys sticking out here, and I think that I'm going to cut this little bit of wire here so that it doesn't stick up as high. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the way that this turned out. I'm really excited to glue it up, clean it up, see what it looks like all finished. Oh my God, you guys, I was upstairs just now looking for my hot glue gun, and I found these tiny little trees. Oh my God, aren't they so cute? I used these last year for, I honestly don't remember, but I just had these left over in my craft room from a project last year. I kind of want to add some of these baby ones in here. What do you think? Honestly, I'm not sure about this green color here. I kind of like the look of the mixture of these snowy trees and the non-snowy green trees. I originally was thinking when I picked these up at Target that I might add a little snow to them, but now looking at it, I kind of like how there's the little mix of the white, the gold, the natural green, the snowy green. Maybe just these little white ones, a few of these tiny little ones in here. What do you think? I think I definitely need to cut this one down a little bit. Add some of these white ones. I don't know. Let's take a look. We got a few minutes till this glue gun heats up. I just broke a drill bit. Do you see that there? Do you see this little broken guy? You know, I was literally like just wondering. I was looking at this little case of these tiny little drill bits, and I was like, you know, I wonder why did they give you two? Why did they give you two of the 1/16? Three of the 1/16 and two of these little tiny ones. That's probably why. It's because they break easy. So you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful with these little baby things. I put these tiny little trees in here, loving how they're turning out. Let's glue it up. Here is the finished product. Very happy with how it turned out. I love the addition of these tiny little trees down here. These are so cute. I'm so glad that I was able to get these trees to stand upright using the hot glue. Taking a look at it from the sides here. I'm very, very happy with how this turned out. Let's go put it on the table and see how it looks. Thanks again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this quick and easy holiday tutorial. My plan is to come out with new videos for you every 2 weeks, so make sure you check back for more fun holiday crafting. See you soon.